Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to install Mac printer drivers for the copiers at KW offices. We're going to need to know four things: the system version, the IP addresses of the models we're working with, the user name and login password for the computer, and the printer code. First, let's find the system version. We'll come up here to the Apple, click the Apple, About This Mac, and here's the version, 10.9. Okay, we can close this out. Now we need to download the Ricoh driver. We'll open up a browser, and in the browser we'll type download Ricoh. The model number I need is C5000. We're going to want to make sure this matches C5000 download page. This is great. We want to see download page and support.ricoh.com. Click that. We're taken to the download page. We'll scroll down. I'll see OS 10.9. I'll click that. And then here is Mac OS 10.9. We don't want to click these links. We just want to click this download link over here to the right. And then we'll wait for it to download. And when it's complete, we're going to close this window, go to the desktop, and hit Command N. And then we want to go to downloads. Here's the driver I just downloaded. We'll double click it. And then we'll open up this window and we'll double click on the packager to install. We'll hit continue, continue, agree, install. Here's where we need the password. And then we hit close. There's another type of installer we're going to run into, and that's this one. It's called a Fiery. Okay, we'll double click the packager just like before. We'll continue, continue, agree, install, the user's password. And then we'll get a window like this. And it's going to try and find any copiers on the network, but it's not going to find any. What we want to click is install printer driver only. So we'll click this here, hit continue, and it'll install just the printer driver, nothing else. Then we hit close. Now we need to add the printer to the system. So we'll go up here to Apple, System Preferences, and then we want to find this, Printers and Scanners. If you can't find it, we can type printers into this search bar and it'll highlight it for us. So click that. We'll hit this little plus button, add printer or scanner. Then we want to hit IP. We want to make sure the protocol is LPD. This is the protocol we want to use. Then we need to type in the printer IP address. For this office, it's this one. And then we will want to name it. So you can name it whatever your office name is. And then this one's called North Printer and the model number. And then it'll usually find the driver you want to use right here. Use Ricoh C5000. If it doesn't find it, you get one of these, something like generic PostScript or PCL. Then we'll want to hit select software. Here we can type in the model number, C5000, and this is where we would find it. But only use that if this doesn't show up. It will usually automatically fill it in and you won't have to do any of that. Okay, so we'll hit add. And in these tray options, we're just going to use the first ones. If it doesn't let you select anything, then just use not installed and then hit OK. And then now it's been added to the system. We still have one more step to make. We need to open up a browser. and then we'll hit Command P. Sometimes you'll get this, and it's not everything we need. We need to go down here and click Show Details. And this is what we want to see. Now we want to make sure it's not two-sided. Sometimes this is default. Let's make sure this is unchecked. Then we'll go to Printer Features, and we want to make sure the color mode is black and white. And then we'll click the center box again, and we'll go to Job Log. And this is where we enter in our user code. This is a fake one. Use a real printer code. And then after all that's done, we want to save. We want to go up here to Default Settings and save current settings as preset. So we'll click that. I usually name it the exact same as the printer name to avoid confusion. And then this is where the job code lies, the printer code. So this matches this, and that's where the printer code is, and so they know they'll be able to print. And then we can test this by clicking from 1 to 1 and then hitting print. And that's everything you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.